All right, this is my next project, 55 International. It has a 289 in it. And I'll just kind of show you the underside. I'm going to build a rat rod. And it's not really bolted up much when I brought it home. I found one bolt that actually holds this on. And I discovered this little deal. Not sure how long it's been up there. It's pretty funny. That's holding the transmission bracket. Yeah, I ended up looking down in it. It was pretty rusty looking. Good news is it's one of the better transmissions. And that's the engine compartment. Got a little mess down there. Previous Okay, so this is my 351 Cleveland, one of them I have. This currently has not been rebuilt or nothing, but I'm going to use this to mock up to see if I can get it in this truck. What I'm putting in the truck is at the machine shop right now being poured. I believe 30 over, and put a cam and pistons in it. I think I'm going to continue this stuff. I'm going to almost have to get another engine mount. So I will set this in there, we'll give it a try, and see what we got. Video. This is what I restored about a year ago or so. It's almost completed now. I will put that on another video also.